Hello students, welcome to Vamshi's Mathematics Academy. Today I am starting intermediate second year circuits, LAQs. Already in first part I explained LAQ number 1. Now I am explaining LAQ number 2. This LAQ is very important, students. Now question is, find the equation of circle passing through points, passing through points 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay. This. Okay. Yeah. Question number 2. LAQ number 2 is find the equation of circle passing through the points 3, 4 and 3, 2 and 1, 4. Here question number 2, total 3 points are there. For these 3 points, we have to find the equation of circle. Now this is circle. This is A, B, C. The 3 points on circle. We have to find the equation of circle for these 3 points. First step, write let the circle equation. Let the circle equation is, step 1 is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. This is general equation of circle, students. The circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Now 3, 4. First point is 3, 4. Passes through equation number 1. Means in equation number 1, substitute these 2 points. This first point is x, second point is y. Now x square in place of x substitute 3 square plus y. In place of y substitute 4 square plus 2g. In place of x again substitute 3 plus 2fy. In place of y substitute 4 plus c is equal to 0. Now 3 square. 3 2 times multiplication, students. 3 3s are 9 plus here 4 square. 4 2 times multiplication, students. 4 4s are 16 plus 2 3s are 6g plus 2 4s are 8f plus c is equal to 0. Now first write g term, students. 6g plus 8f plus, next constants 2 numbers are there. 16 plus 9 is 25. Last term is c is equal to 0. This is equation number 1. Equation number 1 I got, that is 6g plus 8f plus 25 plus c is equal to 0. If you substitute in place of x, y 3 4, we will get answer this one. Okay na? Similarly, substitute equation second point, that is 3, 2 in equation number 1. You will get one more equation. Okay na? Let's see equation number 2. Okay na? Right. Three, 2 passes through equation number 1. Same in place of x, y substitute 3, 2. X square means in place of x substitute 3 square plus y in place of y substitute 2 square plus 2gx in place of x substitute 3 plus 2fy in place of y substitute 2 plus c is equal to 0. 3 square means 3 3 is 9 students. 2 square means 2 2 is 4 plus 2 3 is 6g plus 2 2 is 4f plus c is equal to 0. No, first write g term 6g plus 4f plus 9 plus 4 13 plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 2. In place of x comma y, I substituted 3 comma 2. Here I got equation number 2. Similarly students, last point is 1 comma 4. Substitute in general equation, you will get one more equation. Okay na? Right. 3 comma 2. In place of 3 comma 2, substitute 1 comma 4. 1 square 4 1 4. Okay. No. Simplification. 1 square means 1. 4 square means 4 4s are 16 plus 2 1s are 2g, 2 4s are 8f plus c is equal to 0. Now first I say g term 2g plus next f term, that is 8f plus 16 plus 1 17 plus c is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. Now in place of x comma y, substitute 1 comma 4. I got equation number 3, that is 2g plus 8f plus 17 plus c is equal to 0. Now 3 equations I got. Now simplification students. Now here I want to find I want here x comma g comma f comma c values. Here I should solve equation number 1 and 2 first. Solve equation number 1 and 2. Now equation number 1 and 2. Let's see the equation number 1 and 2. Right. Solve equation number 1 and 2. Equation number 1 is 6g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. This is equation number 1 students. Now equation number 2 is 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 30. Okay. This is equation number 1 and 2. I am solving equation number 1 and 2. Put minus changes to plus. Okay. Plus 6g minus 6g get cancelled. Minus 4f plus 8f. 8 minus 4 4f. Here plus c minus c get cancelled. Is equal to minus 25 plus 13. 25 minus 13 minus 12. Therefore f is equal to minus 12 divided by 4. Here why? Because f value is I want to find. Why? Because f is unknown. No. Cancel it to 4 table. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Therefore f is equal to minus 3. Here I got directly f value. F value is equal to minus 3. Okay students. Next I should find a g and a c value. Okay. F value I got. F value is minus 3. If you solve equation number 1 and 2, you will get a directly f value. Why? Because the two unknown values are directly cancelled. One is g, one is c. Next after that, solve equation number 2 and 3. Now equation number 2 is 6g plus 4f plus c is equal to minus 13. Now equation number 3 is 2g plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 17. Minus changes to plus. Now 6 minus 2 4g. Now minus 4f. Why? Because minus 8f plus 4f minus 4f plus c get cancelled is equal to plus 17 minus 13 minus 4. Now you can observe clearly. Take 4 common. That g minus f is equal to minus 4. Now 4 get cancelled. G minus f is equal to minus 1. G is equal to minus 1 plus f. And otherwise G is equal to f minus 1 plus f. g is equal to f plus 1. This is assumed equation number 1. Next step, students. Substitute f value in equation number 5. Equation number 5 is g is equal to minus f plus 1. Sorry, f plus 1. No, g is equal to f plus 1. No, what is the f value? G is equal to, I got f value in minus 3 in first case, plus 1. G is equal to minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. Therefore, I got here g comma f values. No, g value I got here and f value also I got. Now substitute g comma f values in equation number, any equation you can substitute. Now here I am substituting equation number 1. Now equation number 1 is 6j plus 8f plus c is equal to minus 25. Okay, now 6 in place of g substitute minus 2, 8 in place of f substitute minus 3 plus c is equal to minus 25. Now 6 2s are minus 12, plus into minus minus, 8 3s are 24, plus c is equal to minus 25. Now minus 12 minus 24, 24 plus 10 30, 34, 34 plus minus 36, plus c is equal to minus 25. Therefore c is equal to minus 25 plus 36. So 36 minus 25, answer is 11. Now c value is equal to, I got answer 11. Substitute g comma. Now substitute g comma f c values in equation number, general equation number 1. You will get a general equation. Okay. Now substitute g comma f c values in equation number 1. That is circle equation. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is general equation, students. In place of g, f and c, substitute the values. X square write as it is, y square write as it is, plus 2g. What is the g value? G value I got minus 2, students. X plus 2, f value is minus 3, plus c value is equal to 11, is equal to 0. Simplify. X square plus y square plus into minus minus 4x plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. Now general equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equal to 0. This is a general equation, students. This is a way of finding 3 points. Now previous problem, last problem, we saw one equation, 2 points. Now in this question, 3 points. How should we find the circle equation? Okay, this is a way of finding a circle equation. Okay, na? Right. That's all for today's class. Remaining problems, remaining LQs, we'll see next class with another problem. If you are watching first time my video, please subscribe my channel and like it, share to your friends. Thank you so much.